minus small. And median, middle. I'll put him in quotes since we got special stuff. All right, here comes. In this problem, let's do, what was the mode on this one? 1999. That was sung by Prince. Again.
It's the biggest number.
Mode, number that shows up the most. Biggest, they're going to call it the maximum max. Smallest, we call it the minimum. So really, the range is max minus min if I use real words versus something that I wrote here so fast that people watch the video, which means nobody would understand it. What's the range on this thing? Big minus small?
22, 29.
22, 29. I'm believing it, so if it's not, somebody else speak up. The median, what are the two guys in the middle? 60 point who? Oh, you give me the answer? Yeah. Say the answer again.
Well, you just add, you just like add them.
Add them and divide. What were the two numbers that produced this? 72? Divided by 2. Alright, take a look at it, see if you want to ask something. The part that messes up some students is they forget to put it in order. So you can get the mode, you can get the range without it being in order. The median, you kind of have to have it in order. Alright? I'm flipping over unless somebody needs to stop. How many problems do there seem to be on pages 1 and 2? How much does it go up to? Like there are 10 problems on page 1 and 2. 6 problems? Okay. Is this one of the 6? Or this parts A, B, C of one problem? You know what I mean?
No, it's never two. Or the middle number.
Okay.
The middle
So we just need 4 more of this
numbers
segment to
added and divided by 2.
So median is in the middle. Again, normally they mess you up by putting it, making it an even set of numbers. If an odd number like 11, 13, you'll cut off. I wish I could do this. Let's pretend you were getting a median here, and there was an odd amount of numbers. Let's get rid of you. Then to get the median, normally you just slice off the edges. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the dude in the middle, he's the median. That's the normal way you do it. But because that's so easy, they always like to make it even, so you have to add the two middle numbers, click, click, and divide by 2. If they're in order, what I just did is it. If they're out of order, then you get a wrong answer, but just because they're out of order, you don't know what to do. And the only reason I put them out of order is just to make it harder. Let's see if the next problem we're even doing it. If it's the same question, we're not doing it. 10 people, now I try to create a serial and rate it on a scale of 1 to 20. The rating is shown below, which averages the best with data. Which number would be the best outlier? Ooh, okay. This one has some outlier. Anybody know what an outlier is? There's a book about it by a guy named Malcolm Gladwell.
Like 20 would be the outlier.
An outlier just means you're the oddball. A long time ago you called an oddball. Nowadays they call you an outlier. An outlier nowadays, though, is a neutral term. Either it can be a bad outlier, like people going to shoot people at a place, he's an outlier. Like most of us aren't doing that. This dude is nuts, he's doing that. Or you can be a positive outlier. You're like Zuckerberg. He's like creating a brand new thing called Facebook. And so not all of us can create a brand new thing like Facebook. So you can make outlier good, outlier bad. Like at this center, I used to be an outlier, like one of the few black teachers here. Then Jen came, she messed up that thing. I used to be like the one, and she's all like, but she's a little, she's a little mixed actress. So she's cafe latte, so you can't quite. Yeah. Then is anybody else here?